what you're thinking when you hear hello. It's me, yeah, that's true, it's me, but it doesn't mean that you have to sing Adele. 3 facts about today: it's sunny outside, even though yesterday it was snowing like this. Fact number 2, this is resolutions part 2. Fact number 2, fact 2, fact 2. Fact number 2, resolutions part 2. What's the third fact? What's the third fact? My hairstyle is different! My hairstyle is different! If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, hope that resolutions part 1 has helped you out in any way. That means a lot to me if it has helped you, and I'm glad that it has. If it has, enjoy. If you don't, please enjoy. If you enjoy, please enjoy more. First thing in this video is the count, because that's very important. You know why it's important, I know why it's important, and we both know why it's important when it comes to your yelling mom, which is yelling and telling you to clean your messy room up. So we have to do that. We have to care about our decount. I will advise you like this, so listen up close. Place all the things you need so it's easy for you to see them. Not like, I will just place this here, that here, I don't care. Don't do that. And most importantly, don't do that like this, because I'm sure that creeped you out. Place things that you need in the front so that you can easily get them out, not in the back, because when you're late you're like, oh my god, I need to find that blouse I love, and you're like, where the heck is that blouse? And next thing you know, your clothes are all over the floor, all over the room. That's just so freaking messy. You don't want to do that, so place them so that it will be easier for you to see them, and place them by color. That's my second advice. If you place them by color, like according to color, like place green things together, red things together, it will make it also easier to find them. That's what you need to know about decount. The next thing is taking more pictures. More pictures means more memories, and that's what you want, because believe me, when you're 80 and when you're sitting meeting and you see old pictures, that will be like somebody has given you a big candy or something like that to make you really, really happy. Believe me, so, well, wait, why should you believe me? Am I 80 and have I experienced that? Well, I'm not gonna tell you that. You have to guess yourself. Am I 80 or am I not? And if you like, take a selfie of yourself with your friend and they're like, you should definitely post this looks amazing, just because they look good and you don't. Just shut up and obey, because it does not matter if you look good or bad. You should keep the freaking picture, because it's you with your friend. It's memory. Like, memories are very important, so please take this message and think about it. It's very, very important. Try to do that, because you won't regret when you're 80. Trust me, I know. The next thing on my resolutions list is to read more, because some of us might not have so much time to read more, or some of us might be lazy or something like that, and let me tell you, most of the time I can't manage to read. It's either because my eyes hurt or I'm too tired that day or something like that, and it feels not really good, because reading can be a lot of help to you, to me, and I should really read more. I know. You should do too, by the way. Don't look at me like that. What you need to do is find a right genre for yourself. If you like fantasy, find the most popular fantasy books and most popular writers of fantasy and try to read their work. And if you like horror, then find horror. You don't exactly have to read a million books to know what genre you like. So if you don't like what you're reading and you're looking at the pages, trying to finish it quickly, that's not good and that's not the genre you like. That's what you do to find a genre that you like and to find a book that you like and to enjoy yourself while reading a book. The next thing on my resolutions list is not to spend so much time on social media, social media, because social media can give you nothing while your loved ones can give you so much. Just believe me when I say that that's not a great thing to do, because when you sit there scrolling through your Facebook page, your mom is watching TV alone, sitting there in the next room, you will regret it, believe me, because she won't stay there. People don't stay there for long, unfortunately. If they did, we would all be like, social media, just kidding. A great app to help you with that can be an app called Self-Control. So basically what it does is that you write in time and a website that you want to block, and it will block it. It can be very, very helpful, and you can use that to keep yourself distracted. The next thing is saving money, which can be a problem for me, for you. I really want to buy a new camera to get you guys a higher quality on YouTube, but then when I walk down the street and I see a top or a cute notebook or something, I'm like, oh my god, that looks so awesome. Can I touch it? Don't do that. When you look at that glitter notebook or that top you have wanted for so long, just think about it. Think rationally for a second. If you buy that top, yeah, it will look hella hot and hella sexy. And that notebook, yeah, it can help you, you know, writing stuff and something, but is it worth it? Because you really want to buy that camera, video recorder, or something that you want to buy. At the end of the day, it's your travel ticket or your video camera, well, in my case, that matters, not the hot skirt or something, you know, because it's more important, you know that, and don't let anything get your mind off of the fact that you need that thing more. You need that thing for what you've been saving for so long. Don't spend the money for that, because it's not worth it. It's not worth it, and we will both regret it when we do that. So keep it in mind when you see a glittery notebook. I don't know why. I use glitter notebook all the time, but I'm not even into glitter notebooks. I don't know. That was it for this video, guys, and thank you for watching it so much, and hope that you enjoyed it. And please subscribe, please share this video if you liked it, and or if you liked me, or if you liked the weird noises of my sister racking her this journal. Okay, weird. Give this video a thumbs up and comment if you like, and do whatever makes you happy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.